Alright everyone, welcome back. Today is Friday, so we're going to have Tool Review Friday starting now. So, what is a Tool Review Friday? Exactly what it sounds like, but I'm not going to be talking about the drill that you've seen 100 reviews on YouTube. Everyone else has those. I'm going to be talking about tools that might be a little bit different that you're not used to seeing. So today we're going to be talking about the Bosch Blaze Professional GLM35. So what is this? This is a measuring tool. It'll help measure basically anything within 120 feet and accurate within a 1/16 of an inch. So that is pretty accurate. And so why do you need one of these? You know, I have a tape measure. Maybe. So why do you need one of these when you have a tape measure? Well, this is only good for 16 feet, and this is good for 120 feet, and it's quick. You need 2 people if you're gonna go measure something really big. And how accurate is it when you're really gonna be measuring 100 feet? How accurate can you get? Not so good. Unless you're, a professional, then you might be able to get a pretty accurate measurement. But this is quick. It helps save time. Time is money. What else is this good for? I only really use this for measuring for flooring. If I'm gonna lay a carpet or tile in a room, I need the room square footage. And this tool is great too, because it'll save you a little bit of time and it'll give you the square footage of a room just by holding it in 2 directions, and you have your square footage. So let's go ahead and I'll show you how I use it. So here it is. Here is the Bosch Blaze. It is very small, compact, uses 2 AA batteries. Right now it's just in its regular measuring mode, and it does have a red laser, as you can see in front of your screen. It does also have a backlit display, so you can easily see what you're trying to measure. Right now the ceiling from where I'm holding it is 3 feet 9 inches and 27/32, so very accurate measuring device. Now if you wanted to get the square footage quick and easy, go ahead and press the function button. Go ahead and press it again. And now you can see it's got a small box here. So now this will allow us to get the square footage of a room easily. So I'm going to go ahead, hold it like this, press the arrow, press it again. We got the first measurement of 7 feet 4 inches. Now to get the square footage, we got to go the other way. Press the button. Bam, there we go. The other wall was 9 feet 4 inches. So the square footage of this room is, say, 70 square feet. So this is very useful for measuring for flooring, tiling, carpet, and whatever you need. Now for outdoor use, I've never used this for outdoor use. I'd love to go outside and test it, but it is -2 degrees outside and I don't really want to go outside. So I would imagine this could work outside, maybe not in direct sunlight. It'll be hard to see what you're doing. So for indoor use, this is fantastic. Whether you're just a do-it-yourselfer or you are a professional, I totally recommend the Bosch Blaze measuring laser. It's quick, it's easy, it's fast, it's fun to use. I actually like using it. It's kind of cool. A lot of people get a kick out of this when they go to measure something in their house. They don't even know they exist. So fantastic product, helps save a lot of time, and time is money. So there will be a link for this in the description. It's on Amazon. I got mine for I think $35. It was on sale. You can also get them at Lowe's. I'm sure you can get them at Home Depot. That is it for this first episode of Tool Review Friday. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Every Friday I'll be reviewing a different odd tool that you might not have heard of. And every Tuesday we will also be going over the 2-minute tip Tuesdays. And occasionally when I do other projects at a client's house or my own house, I'll make sure to video that and upload it. So we will see you next time. Now I gotta put away all these screws. So we'll see you later.